Welcome to this short tutorial of how you can connect your agent in Rechatbox with OpenAI and insert the API key. What you need to do first is to create an OpenAI account. You go on the page openai.com, then you go on products, API login, then you click sign up, and then you sign up and create an account. We already have one. Then after that you confirm the email, click continue, type in your credentials, and then log in. When you logged in, you need to go to not ChatGPT, but to API, then go to settings, billing, and add your credit card. This is important. And after you added your credit card, you need to upload and add a credit balance here. You can also enable auto recharge, because without a credit balance, the chatbot won't work. After you've done all the settings, you go back to your Rechatbox account. You choose your agent. If you have not created one, you create one. Then you go to LLM options, then pick OpenAI. We also have other options here. And then you just insert your API key. How can you create the API key? You go here to dashboard, then API keys. You go in here, create new secret key. You say, for example, OpenAI Rechatbox Kate, because this is the name of the agent. So you know what API key this is. You create, you copy it, you go back, you insert it, and then you hit save settings. This is all you need to do if you want to use Rechatbox with OpenAI. And if you have further questions, always contact us. The support team is here for you 24/7. Bye-bye.